Hello traders, welcome to my channel. In this particular video, I'll be teaching you how to backtest your charts or your strategy on TradingView. So let's go back to the screen. Now you can just easily go to your browser and type TradingView. Once you type on it, then open it on your browser and then download the app, download the TradingView app. Now after downloading the app, you can easily log in with your Google account or you can use any email to log in. Then after that, you can easily go ahead and launch the app. In case you already have the app, then this is just exactly how it looks like. If you are looking for a link to download the app, I'll also drop in the description of this particular video and also the link to the broker that I'm using, which is the Reef Broker. Now once you come here, you can see this particular place where they wrote replay. You understand? This one that is up here. Here they wrote replay, that's what you click on. And what's about backtesting when it comes to TradingView is that this backtesting can only occur from daily time frame to weekly time frame, monthly time frame. Just from daily time frame up, that's when you can backtest on TradingView. 4-hour time frame, 15 minutes, then TradingView will ask you to pay for the premium or the basic package. Are you getting me? So backtesting in higher time frame is possible on every version. Do you understand? But for the paid version, that's when if you go for the paid version, that's when you can backtest in 15 minutes time frame or 1 hour, any time frame of your choice. You need to go for the paid version. Now we need to change this 4-hour time frame to daily time frame so we can be able to backtest. Because if you try to backtest now, if I click on this particular replay, you can see that this bar will come out. You understand? And in this bar, this play button is not active. Like you cannot click on it. So that's just it. Now let's go ahead and change the time frame to daily time frame and see the magic. Now you can change it to daily time frame, weekly time frame, monthly time frame down. Do you understand? That's where you can easily backtest. Now let's change it to daily time frame. In daily time frame, now you can see the charts. This is exactly how it looks like. Now let's go ahead and click on that replay. Do you understand? Which is the button for the backtesting. Then once you come, you can see this vertical line. Do you understand? This is the place where you would like to start the backtesting. I get me. So at this particular point now, let's say I want to start the backtesting from here. I'll go at this particular place and then hit it, guys. Once you click there, then from that chart down to that particular place will be wiped out. Now scroll it down. I get me. Now at this particular point now, all you need to do is just click on this play button. I get me. Then go ahead and click on the play button. Click on the play button, then it will start playing at once. And this is just one perfect thing about TradingView backtesting. Once you click on play, it will start rolling. You don't need to start hitting on the mouse. No, not like that. And again, you can easily tell it to stop when you are tired, and you can easily get your speculating tool. Like if you want to go for a long position, let's say I want to go for a short position now, you get your speculating tool and then keep it here and then place it like this. And then keep it like this. Do you understand? And then continue trade to continue. And let's see how this chart will end. This is just how it works. And then we are in loss. This is just it, guys. So that's just it, guys. This is just exactly how to backtest on TradingView. Just know that in TradingView, if you're going for the free version, you can only backtest from the daily time frame, weekly time frame, and then up. Do you understand? But if you go for the paid version, that's when you have paid. That's when you can backtest in 1 hour, 4 hour, and the rest. That's it, guys. If you want to check out the broker that I'm using, which is the Reef Broker, I'll drop in the description of this particular video. And if you need signal to pass to your account, or if you're trading with Profem, then the link to the channel material community also be in the description of this particular video. If you find this video very helpful, I've learned how to backtest your chart or your strategy on TradingView. Don't forget to do us one favor, please, by liking this particular video and also subscribe to this particular channel. I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.